Every morning is a war. Homework? Okay, finish your cereal, hurry up. Are you finished?
Yes.
Okay, dishes to the sink. I wanted to force her to eat, but there wasn't any time. Let's go. Hey, don't touch, it's not a toy.
Is it like that?
Yeah, they're the same. How was your day?
Fine.
I don't want to overwhelm her, so I try not to ask too much. And even if she did want something, I can't handle everything while I'm working. It's really hard.
Hi, Miss Grayson. How are you doing?
I'm okay. Lennon's just inside.
Okay, I'll take good care of her.
Thanks. I have another part-time job in the afternoon. I'd love to be home more with my daughter, but we need the money. Maybe if I had a better job, I could be home more. I'm home. Sorry I'm late.
Hi.
I'm so sorry I'm late.
That's okay. Okay, Lennon, we'll see you later.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thanks so much. Well, it's time for bed, honey.
My friend Sarah gets to stay up till 10 o'clock.
Well, Sarah's not my daughter, so you'll go to bed when I think it's best for you.
Mom, are you going to study tonight?
Of course.
Is it fun?
It is. Not always, but mostly. How about you? Do you like to study?
I like studying. It's fun.
Oh, that's a surprise. Good night, Lucky.
Good night, Mom.
I'm studying for the civil service test. I want a job that allows me to be home at night and on weekends with my daughter. Lennon, get in the car. What? What the? What the? Oh, come on. Lennon, get in the car. Get in the car. What the? Someone smashed into my car. I don't have a clue when this happened. No. I didn't notice it until I got home. I was leaving for work. Okay. Darn it.
Are you okay, Mom?
Yeah, I'm fine, honey. Lennon, what are you doing?
Mom, how can I watch the videos?
What video? At that moment, I was really upset and I wasn't thinking straight. I was exhausted. I couldn't understand why life has to be so hard on me. The video! Honey, you're a genius! You're my lucky charm! Once we found the video footage, I sent the evidence to my insurance agent. Mwah. I love you, my lucky charm.
Bye, Mom.
I would do anything to keep my family happy. And as much as I try, I can't keep bad things from happening, but the least I can do is put one foot in front of the other. Why? Because I'm a mom.